Oh, hey, welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Things with Socrates. Today I'm at my dad's house here in America, and I made him a little beam for the Venetian blinds. Those had broken off, so made a little beam, added a paper clip to it. So I made a second rod with a straight hole going through it. Yeah, the curved hole's nice and tight, but it's a little hard to get the thing to go through, so I thought it'd be a little easier. Some ways it was, in some ways it wasn't. So basically I put another paper clip through the straight hole, bent it up and around, and figured out approximately how far it would go for a second bend to go through. So there's basically two straight ends going through it. And once I got the end through it, just more or less push it along with the needle nose pliers until eventually I got the thing to go basically where I wanted it to go. Definitely was a whole lot easier to get it inside the hole this way. I just basically clipped off the end where it looked like it was enough, and then put mostly a bend in the one end, and then with the needle nose pliers pretty much just forced it through the hole, and it seemed sufficiently secure. The way I did it, the ones I was working with, it still had the end on the blind, so all I needed to do was something to hook over the end. And that's, that was the problem I was solving, and thought the solution worked fairly well. Get it on cults, print yourself up some blinds, fix yourself some houses. That's what I did for my dad. Thanks for watching. Get it yourself. Fix a Venetian blind. Check it out on cults. Pretty simple print. Got to put a curved paper clip through it and a little needle nose plier, and you can fix a window. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Let's do some train things. Hand-Laid Tracks doesn't have a theme song, doesn't have a theme song, doesn't have a theme song. Hand-Laid Tracks doesn't have a theme song, even if it's just doing a curtain rod.